We are hearing from the Associated Press and from Fox News that Kilmar Abrego Garcia has been released after a federal judge's ruling. U.S. District Judge Paula Xinis in Maryland ordered Immigration and Customs enforcement to let Abrego Garcia go immediately, writing that federal authorities had detained him again after his return to the United States without any legal basis. We have been tracking Abrego Garcia's case closely. Abrego Garcia's attorney's office confirmed that he was in fact released just before 5 p.m. local time. That was the deadline the judge gave the government for an update on Abrego Garcia's release. His attorney earlier told the Associated Press that Abrego Garcia plans to return to Maryland, where he has an American wife and child, and where he has lived for years after originally immigrating to the United States illegally as a teenager. Abrego Garcia had been held at Mashinon Valley Processing Center, which is about 115 miles northeast of Pittsburgh. We have been pretty much tracking this Abrego Garcia story closely. The White House, of course, has been tracking Abrego Garcia's story closely as well. In fact, Caroline Leavitt was asked about him at today's White House press briefing.
A federal judge today ordered the immediate release of Kilmar Abrego Garcia from ICE detention. Does the White House have a response to that, and does the administration plan to appeal that decision?
Absolutely. The White House, the administration opposed this activism from a judge who is really acting as a judicial activist, which we've unfortunately seen in many cases across the country. Abrego Garcia is present in our country illegally. He is a proven human trafficker. He is a proven gang member. The administration has evidence of that. And as you saw from the Department of Homeland Security, they issued a statement saying they'll continue to fight this legal battle in court.
Okay, so Caroline Leavitt addressing that earlier. Of course, we'll wait for any other White House reaction, perhaps any sort of appeals that may take place. The Department of Homeland Security sharply criticizing the judge's decision and vowing to appeal this. They called the ruling naked judicial activism by a judge appointed during the Obama administration. It was quoted from Tricia McLaughlin. She's the department's assistant secretary. She was quoted as saying, "This order lacks any valid legal basis, and we will continue to fight this tooth and nail in the courts." We'll continue to keep you posted on Kilmar Abrego Garcia's. We'll also let you know, by the way, if we get any footage of Abrego Garcia himself. There were some cameras that were staked out trying to catch a glimpse of him perhaps leaving the facility. Our cameras, at least from what we saw, didn't happen to catch him as he was released. So what you're looking at is file footage as Abrego made his way through media scrum after media scrum as this story has developed. Again, the breaking news of the hour, Kilmar Abrego Garcia being freed from immigration detention on a judge's order earlier on Thursday. This comes while he continues to fight to stay in the U.S., and it hands a major victory to the immigrant whose wrongful deportation to a notorious prison in El Salvador. It really did make him a flashpoint of the Trump administration's immigration crackdown. We'll let you know if we hear any more developments as the night continues. A live look at the White House